Good? Welcome back to the Cunningham Custom Engines YouTube channel, and it's fire day. Today we're firing this pretty much brand new ASCS 360. Stay tuned to see how it goes. Good? Alright, celebration beer. She started first pull. We're at least going to celebrate that. But fired right away, sounded great as you just heard. Heated up a little bit quicker than we would have liked, but we've never used a stumble valve before, so I had that open while it was idling, and it idled really mean. So we're going to forego the trip down the street because there's a tiny little fuel leak as well. And we're going to take it to the dyno. See what she's got. What do you think she's going to make? Just wanted to get a shot of this thing in Rose's driveway. It's definitely a real pretty car. Not much running on it. Dang. Willie Boy just putting the high speed on the car we're racing Friday. Tammy Tan Media, Barton Bath Floor, Sheridan, CSC, BRP. Then we're going to load it up. We're going to be ready to rip. Friday for points night number 3. Papa D, let's ride. Pretty cool. 2 cars. Only took 40 years of my life, but we got it. 2 running cars. That one runs, and that one runs. OMG. Ready to rip. Friday at Ohsweken. Watch live on GeForce TV. Thanks for letting me take your clippies. Points night number 3. See if we can get another top 10 and load it. Nice bum. Loaded up, ready to rock. And that's going to bring an end to another episode of the Cunningham Custom Engines YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the ASCS 360 fire up. Pumped it, went really smooth, almost too smooth for me and Billy. I could tell him. He didn't like the way it heated up a little bit, and yeah, he's going to be thinking about it all night. I know it. Me too. Definitely not getting to sleep early tonight. But pull it out, go dyno it, see what she's got. If you use the stumble valve, does it heat up really quick? Because like our engine right here, it takes forever. Like it won't heat up while we're trying to idle it in the pits. And this one heated up within, we were running it for about 4 minutes. So it's not like it was right away, but thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. See you next week. See you Friday.